Step 6. Submit an ICC target. You will need to access your ICC profiling software for the next steps. In your software, generate and save an RGB ICC target chart. The target file must be saved in either TIFF or EPS format. For best results, it is recommended the RGB target chart contain at least 1400 to 1600 patches. When your chart is ready, in the Serendipity client window, select the Submit menu ICC target option to open the file. Navigate to your RGB ICC target file location and open. Select the page setup you created earlier in the list, and submit the file. The ICC target file will be submitted and sent to print. If you open the Jobs application and have your queue visible, you will be able to see the job processing. Once the chart is printed and stable, measure and create the profile using your ICC profiling software. When your file has been created, go back to the Workbench application and select Media in the Data Types list. Select your media created earlier. Select the Color Management panel. Select the Output ICC Profile button. Click the Upload File button to load your saved ICC target file. Save the file in the Serendipity application directory, lib, ICC, printers folder. Your target ICC file is now the output profile. Save the media via File menu, Save. Your printer setup is now calibrated. Up next, Step 7. Submit a test print.